I have found my new favorite lip liners. They are probably the best I have ever tried. I do also like the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil lip liners. These have become my new favorite and the only ones probably I would ever use. So this is a new product from Ravie Beauty. This is the Soft Definition Long Wear Lip Liner. I have all 4 shades. We are going to try them out today. So I've already tried them out, by the way, and I absolutely love them. I just want to show you some of my favorite combinations, or some of my favorite lip combos with all these lip liners. The first one is Honey. I love this shade. It's so pretty. I'm going to also swatch it on the back of my hand. Wait. This one is Honey. This one pretty much matches my natural lip color so well. I absolutely love it. Next one is Almond. I think this is the best contour lip liner that I've ever tried. It's just amazing. I've tried other like contour lip liner shades. There's just something about Almond that is just superior to the ones I've tried. That one's Almond. Then we have Fig, which is really pretty. I love this shade. This one is Fig. This is a really pretty mauve shade. I really like that one. And then a brown lip liner that I would actually never use, but when I put it on my lips, I absolutely fell in love with it. I only use this lip liner, or sometimes I use it with other shades, but I've pretty much only been using it with Rose right now, and I love it. It is so pretty. It's a really nice shade. I love it. Start with the first lip liner and do my favorite lip combos with each of the lip liners. So first one I'm actually going to do, and then after I do all the lip combos, I'm going to do pretty much one of the lip combos that I do all the time. First, I'm going to take a powder. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Self Blur Setting Powder, and I'm going to take the Nikki Rose and BQD the N14 brush. I'm just going to powder the edges of my lip, just so there's a better hold of the lip liner. This is a new setting that I've been doing on the Osmo Pocket 3, and I actually like it better than what I've been doing, so I think I'm going to stick to this one because it looks a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to take Honey first. I'm just going to line the lips with this first. And I like to overline the bottom lip and the Cupid's bow. The center of the bottom lip and the Cupid's bow. While I'm applying it, I like to blend it in as well. Oh, and it also came with a lip sharpener. I totally forgot. Or a pencil sharpener. I totally forgot to mention this. You can see that I've already used it a bunch of times already, and I love it. I love that you can just catch the shavings in here. I think it is amazing. This is the only this is the only sharpener that I have been using for my eyeliners and lip liners, and it's just amazing. I love it. It's just slightly deeper than my natural lip color. I think I am actually going to be doing this, or using this lip liner for my makeup look today, because I haven't been using it a lot. I have been using Almond like crazy. I love Almond. Almond is probably my favorite lip liner shade out of all 4. Yeah, this one just goes with the whole look today, so I'm going to stick with this lip liner today. I'm going to just want to go through all of them. So I don't know which one I want to do today. If I want to do, let's see, Dahlia or Lily. I don't know. This one's Dahlia. I love all of the lipsticks as well. These are the Effortless Lips lipsticks from Ravie Beauty, and I just love all of them. I just don't know which one I want to do today. I recently picked up a new Lily because I broke the tip of this one, so I got a new one. I don't know, we can try it later. I am going to apply Dahlia first. Ooh, I actually might go with Dahlia today because it really ties in the pink with the Paradise Blush. So this was the lip liner in the shade Honey with the shade Dahlia. Now let's move on to the lip liner shade in Almond. And again, this one I have been using like crazy. I absolutely love this shade as well. I love all of them, like I said. Okay, so this one is more of a contour shade. I'm gonna show you what I like to do. I'm gonna show you what I like to for a lip combo with the shade Almond. So for this lip combo, this one I kind of like to do for more of like an evening out or a special occasion. This is when I bust out, sometimes I bust out mocha, and sometimes I bust out almond for a special occasion look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing that we did with. So I'm just going to overline the middle of the bottom lip and the Cupid's bow. When I'm using this shade, especially for like a contoured lip, I like to start with the middle first and then blend it in. I like to blend in the middle first, and then I go in and blend the outer part after. Once I have that on, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stain in the shade Rosewood. This was actually what Ellie Glines did. I think it was a short that she did, and I absolutely loved how it looked. I've been doing that combo a lot recently. Just for a lip contour, for a contoured lip. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this to the outer corners of my lip. This might be a little dried out. Next, I'm going to take Dahlia and apply this to the center of the lip and kind of blend it in along the edges as well. Then I like to just lighten up the center of the lip a little bit, so I'm going to take the shade Daisy from the Effortless Lips lipsticks from Ravie Beauty. I'm going to apply that to the center of the lip. So this was with the shade Almond with Dahlia and Daisy. And now let's move on to Fig. Okay, for the shade Fig, I'm still going to do the same thing. I'm going to overline the bottom middle of the lip and the Cupid's bow. There's a few shades that I like to use with Fig. I like to either use Tulip, Lily, or where's Dahlia? Dahlia. I'm gonna go with Tulip today. So there is Fig with Tulip. And for the last lip liner again was Mocha. Do pretty much the same exact thing. But typically with this shade, and like I said before, I like to use it sometimes with the shade Rose, I'm not going to overline. I'm just going to keep it in my natural lip line. Now I'm going to move into the shade Rose. When Ellie Glines was showing all these lip liners, she used Mocha with Rose, and I thought that was so pretty. And I haven't found a really good lip liner to go with Rose, and when these lip liners came out and I tried Mocha with Rose, I was like, that is it. That's the shade. That's the combo that I love to use with Rose, or that I love to do with Rose. So let's apply Rose. That was the last lip liner at the shade Mocha with the Effortless lipstick in the shade Rose. So I decided to use for today, I decided to use the shade Honey. Then I think, did I decide on Dahlia? Where's Dahlia? Oh, I did forget to mention as well that I like to sometimes apply the Ravie Beauty Lip Renewal Treatment Oil on top of all of the lip combos. And I also do use it for when I'm doing my skin prep to prep my skin for makeup. So this is the lip combo that I'm wearing today, and that was also all of the lip liners from the new lip liners from Ravie Beauty. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!